how to use timer on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to date and time on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this and find the clock widget. And okay, you'll have to do is click this. Okay guys, here and clock widget on the top. Okay, click the timer. And now you can see the time of this timer. So okay guys, to set, so the timer is set into 15 minutes and 0 seconds. So if you want to set, okay, click the hour. For my example, I set into 1 hour and 5 minutes and 0 seconds. Okay, so I set into 1 hour and 5 minutes the timer. And also you can set the sounds. Okay, the sounds is set into radar. The default sounds, okay, you can change it by clicking the arrow up and down button on the right side and select from this option. Okay, so I set from example into cosmic. And after you set the timer, okay, click the start button. Okay, that's it. We have successfully start the timer. So if you want to pause this timer, okay, click the pause button. And also you can resume by clicking the resume button. And I decide to stop, okay, pause, click the pause button. And that's it, okay, you have successfully used the timer on MacBook Air. So if you want to turn off the timer, okay, click the done button. And you can set again the another time. And also the sounds. And after you set, click the start button again to start again the timer. And that's it, okay, we have successfully used the timer on MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.